Hi everyone, welcome back to Design Craft channel. This month is AmigurumMay. I'll be sharing some mini and quick crochet projects that are fun and easy to make. Today, we're making a cute little moon design. You can mix and match your favorite colors to create your own unique moon charm. This is a fun and cheerful project that's perfect for using up leftover yarn. Here are the tools you need to prepare for this project. I'm using 4-ply cotton yarn. You'll also need a 2.5mm crochet hook or a hook that matches your yarn size, a yarn needle, a pair of scissors, a stuffing tool with some stuffing, and a stitch marker if needed. Alright, let's get everything ready and start crocheting the moon. Pick your favorite color and make a magic ring. Then work 6 single crochet into the ring. Once done, pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring and make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 1, start with a chain. You can pull the slip stitch and the chain tighter to make the stitch more seamless and neater. Then work an increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. You can place a stitch marker in the first stitch to make it easier to find when closing the round. I always use the yarn under technique, also called as X stitch, because it helps keep your stitches straight with less slanting. And make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. By the end of the round, you will have 12 stitches. For round 2, start with a chain. Then work 1 single crochet. Followed by 1 increase. Repeat the sequence a total of 6 times. By the end of the round, you will have 18 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 3, start with a chain, then work 1 single crochet followed by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence 8 times . Then finish with 2 single crochet. By the end of the round, you will have 26 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 4, start with a chain, then work 2 increases followed by 4 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, four single crochet, and 2 increases. Repeat this sequence for the other side. Work 2 increases followed by 4 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, four single crochet, and 2 increases. By the end of the round, you will have 36 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. For round 5, start with a chain, then work 2 increases. Then work 1 single crochet, followed by 1 increase. Repeat this sequence a total of 7 times. work 2 increases again and repeat the sequence for the other side. By the end of the round, you will have 58 stitches. Make a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish the round. At this stage, your piece may look a bit wavy. That's normal because of the many increases. Just continue. For round 6, start with a chain, then work 2 increases. Be careful and look closely. Because of the many increases, the stitches can become small and harder to see. Followed by 12 single crochet. Then 1 increase, then 12 single crochet. Then finish with 2 increases, then repeat this sequence for the other side. By the end of the round, you will have 68 stitches. For round 7, start with a chain, then work 2 increases, followed by 30 single crochet. Then work 2 increases again, and repeat for the other side. By the end of the round, you will have 76 stitches. Lastly, make an invisible slip stitch using a needle. Insert the needle into the second stitch, then back into the last stitch to create a clean invisible join. Now fold your piece in half and use stitch markers to align the stitches correctly. Sew through the back loops to close the edge. Before closing the hole completely, fill it with polyester fiber stuffing. Once filled, continue sewing to close the hole, then hide the yarn ends neatly. Now your moon is done. Let's embroider a cute face. You can create any expression you like. Here's a little tip. You can apply a bit of glue on the yarn to help hold the curve shape you want. It makes it easier to keep the curved eye shape in place while it dries. And that's how you crochet this cute little moon. I hope you enjoyed today's mini Amigurumi project. You can make more moons in different colors and turn them into keychains, bag charms, decorations, or gifts for your friends and family. Thank you so much for crocheting along with me. Share your creations with me. I'd love to see your adorable moons. See you in the next crochet tutorial.